No, what I'm saying is you collect the used cooking oil from UAE and send it to biodiesel places or all over the world.
All over the world.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So
All
you're
over the world.
okay. I see. I see. Okay. All right. So the only and that's great because this gentleman here, I just spoke with him. He's in Kenya. The issue that we had last week was one of the buyers
Hmm.
was also in Kenya. They have a lot of competition there. So
Okay.
he instructed me to that he wants to deal with people who are outside of Kenya. That's why I called you back.
Okay. Okay.
All
Sure.
right.
Sure. But
So you're looking for 5,000 metric tons, or how much you need?
uh, we we start with 3,000.
3,000. Okay.
Yeah. We start with 3,000. Gradually we will improve.
All right. And what is your price point?
Uh, what
What is your price point?
price point is you told me, that $400.
Yeah, $400 a metric ton. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
that will do. That will do.
Okay. Good.
Okay. So you give me the specification and try to get me a video and photographs of the oil.
Okay.
Okay. So I'll try to meet you on 22nd or 23rd maybe in
Okay.
22nd or 23rd January in Dubai, and
Okay.
then we'll accordingly plan. I'll give you the LOI and I'll make sure that
Okay. All
we'll
right.
go to Kenya and we'll check the material. We'll whatever the payment procedure will start.
Okay. All right. Would you like to visit the plant? I mean, the guys in
What
Kenya.
uh, what you want to tell me? I'm
I
sorry.
mean, did you want to visit Kenya to their plant
Yeah,
or
yeah, yes. Without visiting, we can't
okay?
say this much. Yeah, because see, in used cooking oil, there is a lots of issue. Yeah, as you know, there is lots of frauds also going on in the market.
Right. Yes.
Everywhere, everything. So we have to be very careful about the used cooking oil. Okay. So and the amount is also a heavy amount, involved in this. So we need to be very careful.
Yes,
So
because they charge
my
the way they operate. They require a TT payment up front. So
they require.
most of the buyers go to Kenya, make the
Okay.
deposit, and then wait 3 or 4 days
Hmm.
because they have to collect it from all the restaurants and factories and
Hmm.
food preparation places.
Yeah, I understand, but see the normally what we do, no, we do an LC normally. So we open a LC for them. They deliver the oil and we'll release the LC to them. Normally what we do. But in your case, you are telling that 50% TT they will be required. So I have to visit there without visiting and without seeing the practical
Oh,
situation.
hold on a minute. He's on the line now. Hold on one moment. Hold on one moment. Yes, my good man. He just hung up. Yes, my good man.
I received your message.
Yeah.
Let me put something to you, Claire, so you understand how use cooking oil work. Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm
First of
talking.
all, I would like you to know, use cooking oil is something when you keep for a long time, it's going to run out of use. It's going to get bad. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. So us what we do for us not to get a client a bad product, we don't store used cooking oil anymore because at times when we store it,
you want to give it to a client, it's not a specification the client wants.
Right.
Yeah. So what we normally do, we get your order, we get your specification, we get the used cooking oils from restaurants and hotels, and we match them to your specification.
I see.
Yeah.
So I get their
So
specification.
regarding pictures and videos, let me be honest, during if I send you a video now or a picture, it's going to be a past video of a past client or a picture of a past a stock of a past client. Okay. So first of all, let me be honest with you. Nobody should lie to you the cheap used cooking oil. Nobody. Because if they should give you any video or show your video, it's a product of another client. They are just maybe trying to convince you to come and buy. But for us, it takes 7 working days. After we've confirmed your first deposit, it's going to take 7 working days. We collect your oil, we match to your specification, we load the goods, we do documentation. That takes 7 working days.
Yes. I see.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, I'll let him know. I see how it works now. So
In business for us to be successful, we have to be honest.
yes. Okay.
Yeah. So you have to explain to them like this. Used cooking oil is not a product that we keep in stock because it's going to get bad and not going to maybe match the specification of the oil they want. So once they give us the specification and make the first deposit, we collect the used cooking oil, match to their specification, then we proceed.
I see. So let me ask you this. So used cooking oil is like, for example, when I fry chicken or fish or whatever not, so that oil that I'm...
not everybody wants the same specification. There are some people who want less fat, there are some people who want more fat. Okay.
I see. So
the specification, So the specification is not the same. What you ask this client, tell them, give me the specification of your used cooking oil, what you want.
yes, I see. Aha.
Yeah.
Because different restaurants use different combinations of cooking.
You can have a used cooking oil, they have fried chicken. You can have used cooking oil where they have fried potatoes. You can have used cooking oil where they have fried meat. There are a lot of things they use cooking oil to fry, and mostly hotels. But as for us, we don't like keeping our clients waiting. So we have hotels, we've signed contracts within Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, and Ethiopia. You see, those are neighboring countries next to us. That is easy when we get the used cooking oil to transport to Kenya by road. It takes highest maybe 2 days or 3 days. Then from there we can start working because we also have other clients. We also supply them. So even if we've collected already from all the hotels we have here, getting it from another hotel from this neighboring country is very easy for us because we have contracts with them. We do these things because we like doing delivery on time. We don't like keeping the clients waiting.
Right.
We don't also like giving our clients bad quality because once you give a client bad quality oil, you're telling the client to look for another supplier the next time. You lost the client.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, great. I really appreciate you taking some time out to explain the cooking oil industry to me. I'll go ahead and disseminate this information to our team as well. I'll get back on the phone with the buyer that I was just talking to and make sure that we're on the same page. And I'll be sure to let him know that the videos are from past people, and they're making the cooking oil, per se, because it's a different type.
Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. I'll get back on the phone and get this straightened out and then get some orders in for you today.
No problem. I'm waiting for you.
Thank you, my good man.
I asked you to forgive me for the other times you called I was not taking. It's just that normally you don't do your card because it disturbs.
Yes, I understand. Okay, my good man. Shakaram. Okay, good. Thank you. Bye. Well, see, again, international trade sourcing is a continuum of education. Continually. You learn new things every day. I fry food here in Dubai, and, I may fry it a couple of times my French fries and of chicken and fish and so forth, and then I throw it away. But I also notice that in the back of some of these restaurants, they have these huge cooking, recycle cooking something. But anyway, that's what they do. They go in these big old huge containers, truck-looking things, tanks, and they store it and then they sell it. And they use cooking oil as a biodiesel to run trucks and machines and things of that nature. Who would have known that? And some use cooking oil is used for automotive to make different types of lubricants and such. And then some of it is redone. Just like, for example, you have used automobile oil. Did you realize that synthetic oil that you put in your car is used oil when people get their oil changed? And they put the additives back in it, and it costs more than the real. Anyway, so that's a whole different story. But I didn't know that. That's interesting. The more you know. Anyway, let me go in here and close this deal. So how does it work? So someone getting 3,000 metric tons. Depends on where you're at. We're going to talk about that. You got some people pay $20, $25 a metric ton. Some people pay $30 a metric ton. It depends on how well you negotiate. But if you got someone paying you $30 a metric ton, and you got 3,000 metric ton, and that's a monthly. I mean, again, don't discount your small wins. So if you got 3,000 metric tons, and it was $30 a metric ton, that's $90,000. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I'm going to get back on this phone and call this guy up and educate him. In fact, I feel like doing cooking oil today. So I'm going to do some of those. In fact, I had 4 or 5 of those clients last year. And, when you find, if you run into a situation where you have a request for something you don't have, be sure to keep that person's name and number and file them away. Why? Because eventually you're going to find a supplier. Just like cooking oil. I didn't have a supplier for a couple of years, and then now I got a supplier. We just heard back from the other guy I was just talking to. And he's looking for, he says, need the lab test and photos and videos available stock. So I'm going to educate him later on. Okay, well, hey, let's get on the move. It's a Sunday morning, 9:13 a.m. It's about 85 degrees here in Dubai. Let's go. In fact, let's cook some fish and grits this morning. All right, cheers.